If you're watching this video, you might be trying to achieve optimal health. If so, I'm going to tell you about the 7 distinct clients we help at Rewind Anti-Aging. Type number 1, type A personality, the person who's in great shape, but they're used to being in better shape. Type 2, former athlete. Maybe they're 10 or 15 pounds overweight and they don't want to feel out of shape any longer, so they're just trying to lose a little bit of weight. Type 3 is someone who's incredibly overweight and they're looking for solutions of how to lose all of that weight. Type 4 is the client who's coming to us for energy and maybe mood issues like depression. Type 5 are menopausal and premenopausal women who are dealing with the issues relative to menopause. Type 6 is injury recovery. So people who are coming to us to help them recover from injuries and or workouts. And type 7 is the former steroid abuser who may have done steroids when they're younger and have impacted their own body's ability to produce normalized hormones. I'm Brian Burke, Rewind Anti-Aging. If you like this video, like us, share us, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to YouTube. We have a lot of informational videos coming out. We're based in beautiful Miami, Florida, so stay tuned for more and more videos.